the 6 reasons why you should be doing content on LinkedIn.
What's number 1, Carmen?
The first one is that 80% of B2B leads across all the social media platforms come from
LinkedIn. Let's write that down. So number 1, 80% of B2B leads come from LinkedIn. Okay, Carmen, what's number 2?
All right. So the second one is that only 1% of people post on LinkedIn.
Wow.
And most of it is shit.
Okay, number 2, only 1% of people post. What's number 3, Carmen?
Okay, so the third one is, the know, like, and trust. So people see you on video and you act, like you do in real life. And so people start to go, oh, that's Carmen, oh, that's Maureen. And they start to just know you and like you because they see you all the time on video.
Yeah, and you could be really shit, but they trust that you're not because they just, getting to know you.
Yeah.
No, seriously, we're sure you're very good.
So it raises your profile as well. That's what Maureen's trying to get at.
Yeah, so
know, like, and trust.
Excellent. And what's number 4?
So the other one is the familiar. I can't say the word, Maureen.
Familiarity
bias.
Yeah, we just made that up.
Yeah, exactly. But it sounds good.
Yeah.
So the thing is, people like people or like things that they see often.
Yeah.
So when they see you often, so I had one person say to me, every time I load up my computer, I see your face.
Yeah.
So they start to be biased towards you, like in a good way. Like, if they're going to choose someone to support them in their business, it's probably going to be you.
Yeah, and also if they don't, if that doesn't develop, then you're not a good fit. So it's good that they find out, and you're not wasting anyone's time.
Yeah, beautiful. Well, that
Okay,
actually leads on to the next thing. So you better write that one down.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to. I'm going to do femme bias. Is that all right?
All right, you do that.
Because I'm pretty hip,
All right, you're really hip.
Just for the millennials out there.
All right, so the next one is that you qualify your leads.
Qualify your leads. Tell us about that one.
So when you start business, you want leads, but you quickly work out that you get too many leads. So you need to work out the ones that are gonna really want to work with you, so they become qualified themselves. So by doing content, you're gonna be educating them. They're gonna get a sense for who you are as a person, what you like, how funny you are, and so they're going to self-qualify. So by the time I get someone on the phone, people say, Carmen, I feel like I know you already.
Yeah.
And they're not going to come and speak to me if they don't like me in my videos.
Exactly. And you don't want to be qualifying at the other end. So you just want to attract people to get them, call you, and you call, and then you're having all these conversations. It's just wasting time.
Waste your energy.
Don't
as
ask
well.
Carmen about that.
So by the time you get them on the phone, they're hot as.
Yeah. Hotter the better.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, what's number 6?
All right, so the 6th reason is that you get business when you put yourself out there on LinkedIn, which is what we're all here for. So it's going to raise your profile, and people are going to want to do business with you. They want your support.
Yes. And so you can really get fair income leads. That's for the Aussie viewers. If you're viewing from around the world, fair income means real. Yeah. So you can get some really great leads, and you can get them more consistently if you're posting consistently.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go through them again, shall we? You ready?
Da-da-da!
So number 1, reason why you should be posting content in LinkedIn is 80% of B2B leads are on LinkedIn. Carmen, what's number 2?
The second one is that only 1% of people post, and most of it shit. So we're going to teach you how to make it not shit.
So if you actually post, people are going to see you all the time and go, oh, we like you. Number 3
is the know, like, and trust. And so they're going to see you and they're going to start to get a good feel for you.
Yep. Number 4.
Can't say that one, Maureen.
Familiarity bias. Sorry, back the clothes off. We've got to keep practicing that one. But that's really good. If you're there all the time, they feel like they trust you.
Yeah. So the 5th one is that your leads are going to be more qualified because they've already sussed you out on video. Sometimes people know my videos more than I do.
Yes.
And know my stories, which is a little bit freaky.
Yep.
But they're already qualified by the time they get on the phone.
And number 6.
You get business!
Yay! And we all want to get more business and help more people in the world and have an impact and make some good money at the same time.
Yes.